Here's my pretty bird Beenie on my lap, and there's his cute little pink bald spot on his head. Right? Right there, Pinky. Oh, look how pretty you are. A real good close-up of Beanie's. Oh, there it is. Pinky. Yeah, he must have molted there a little bit, and now all of the feathers will grow back in. Beanie's molting a little bit. Aren't you, sweetie? The molting. Oh, look at him. Isn't he cute? Oh, pretty Beenie. He's preening and he looks so pretty now. Yeah. There's his pink spot on his top of his head, right under the yellow feathers, sort of. Oh, you're so cute. What a pretty bird. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Okay.